Hello, this is Project 0 from the CS50's very own Web 50. On the main page, we have Google search pages. On the Google search button clicked, we get simple Google search performed for the inputted query. On the nav bar, we have links for the other two pages. First one is Google Images, which gives us the images page for the inputted query. On the advanced search button, we get filtered search for the inputted queries. Let's say carpooling, all of these words, this exact word or phrase with camera. Any of these words, police signal, none of the words, let's say alien. We get filtered search for the inputted queries in the advanced search input boxes. On the main Google search page, we have I am feeling lucky button, which redirects us to the first link from the Google search pages. Let's say Harvard. Of course, this gives us the redirect notice. Yeah, this is the first link from the Google search pages. Yeah, this is the aesthetics of Google search pages. This is the images pages, and this is the advanced pages.